Does size matter? Dramatic pause. When it comes to knives and the knife you use for self-defense. The key word here is self-defense. So when it comes to survival situations, obviously you want a good fixed blade. You don't want the world's tiniest knife because you may be building a shelter. You may be doing all kinds of things with it, right? So yes, fixed blade, larger for a survival situation, which is why I have them in my bug out bags, which is why I have them in my vehicle survival kit. But when it comes to self-defense, how important in it does size really matter? Well, guess what? It really doesn't matter because it's all about placement. So if you live in a crappy place like New York City, where I believe knife lobs are 3-inch, and I imagine California is the same way, where you can only have a 3-inch knife, but I don't know for sure California knife laws, you're still gonna be fine. Because depending on how you carry your knife, what am I doing if someone, heaven forbid, attacks me and I use my knife? Well, the quickest thing to do is to jab out in their face, to jab out in their throat. So it's just a pop, pop, right? You could go face, throat, or you don't have to do pop, pop. You could do face, face, face. My point is, it doesn't matter if it is a larger knife or a smaller knife. If you are coming out, obviously you're using lethal force because your life is on the line, you're in fear for your life or serious bodily injury. But if I come out with this, or if I come out with this, it's still not gonna feel good either way. It's still gonna do a lot of damage either way. It's still gonna deter that person, and I imagine they're gonna lose the motivation and realize they made a very poor decision. So I'm not sitting here, again, trying to chop that guy up in 1,000 pieces and stand over him and flex and be like I'm Rambo. If somebody's trying to kill me, I'm trying to create that space, that window of opportunity for me to get to safety. And if I come out and I pop there, I imagine he's gonna cover his face. I imagine he's not gonna be happy. Same thing here, pop up here. That gives me a chance to flee to a safe location and to call the police. So even if, again, you live in the world's most terrible place, like New Jersey, New York City, I bet Massachusetts has horrible knife laws, type of thing, still carry the knife you can, because if you use it right and use placement right, it's gonna stop an attacker. You'll be able to get out to safety. So yes, size matters in certain situations, but for self-defense on the streets, normal everyday carry type of thing, you're gonna be fine with a smaller knife. All right, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Go buy knives. Knives are awesome. I love knives. I have a massive knife collection, and for more knife safety tips, make sure you subscribe and have a wonderful rest of the day.